10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Oh my God.
Welcome to Saigon City. I'm taking a food tour, and I also met one of the prettiest girls I have ever met. So join me on a food adventure through Saigon, Saigon City. Yeah, now it's my second day. I arrived yesterday.
Oh yeah.
I was at Cuckoo Island.
Phuoc Island.
Yeah.
A beautiful island in Vietnam.
Yeah.
So where did you go this morning?
On this tour, we started with a dessert, some kind of Vietnamese pancakes. Yeah. Yeah. In the tour, a cooking class was included, so I tried to improve my cooking skills of the Vietnamese kitchen. And I had a very good teacher and also a camera woman.
Yeah. You finished.
Now you finished. Yeah.
Wow, congratulations.
No, you have finished.
Oh,
Yeah, thank you.
okay, the next
the floor gathers in here, and I love cooking too, and I would love to share you the vegetable in here. Every single ingredient that we need to eat together with the rice paper and the crispy pancakes too. So please, my teammate will transfer you every single of the vegetables too.
Yeah.
Okay. Rice paper soft by scratching the leaf because the rice paper is really sharp. So we use the vegetable for make it softer.
You can try everything, right?
Yeah. I will try everything. You can eat all right. Here, a lot of this one too. And you put the chopstick in the middle. Then you wrap from the left to the right, like a cigar. When you finish, you move the chopstick down, and you have your roll.
You want to mix up just crispy the pancake?
We have two sauce in here. The yellow one is the first sauce. We combine with some pickle, carrot, and white radish. And the round one is dramatic sauce. We combine with the pineapple inside. Yeah, we have chili in here. If you want spicy.
Eat chili.
Chili.
Is it really hot?
Yeah, it's quite spicy and really. Put into the fish sauce. Yeah, and mix them well.
A little bit more?
Yeah. It's up to you.
Big one. You eat with the fish sauce? Thank you.
Here we eat a lot of the fried bao buns in Vietnam. We have 4 different of the cakes in here. The first one is the savory bao buns. This one. Inside they have the mixed mushroom and the pale eggs. And this one is the bao bun too, by fried bao bun, but they empty inside. On the top they have the sesame seed. Em có lấy bánh gói không?
Có,
Okay.
4 cái luôn cho đủ luôn, đủ tiền cái cơm cháy luôn. Ủa bánh đó bánh gì vậy? Bánh này bánh gì vậy?
This one is also the one type of the bao bun too. It's from China because a lot of Chinese people they move from China to avoid the Qing and Qing dynasty. And when they start the business in Vietnam, they create this. They intermingle with the Balut and North in Vietnam to create this one. And the final, we have this one. It's the sponge cake. just like a sponge to wet your dishes. But it's really delicious because it's made from the coconut and the flour.
Stopp nummer 3. Något bageri bra.
Hi YouTuber, it's a savory bao buns.
Oh, okay.
I just got here today. Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
Guys.
Ủa không có để ở đây hả?
Nó dính, để giấy nó dính, cái bánh ngọt nó dính.
Không có dính đâu.
Lấy bao á, tôi lấy bao á chị.
Let's get a big one.
What is it made of?
Coconut, powder, and flour.
Cái này nó giống như bánh da lợn.
Rồi, ở bên đây.
Yeah,
Because if you go directly on the street, you don't have any clues, or someone say plan on you, you don't have any clue to fight against them.
Yeah.
Okay? So make sure that you have any clue and proof enough, strong enough to fight against them by word. Okay?
By what?
Wow, I really like the food that we have tasted so far. And I also like my protector that's going behind me. And I will recommend you to do this tour in Saigon.
Some for you. The first one is sugarcane juice. This one, sugarcane juice. The second one is kumquat tea. Which one do you prefer?
She's making that story right now, and she never tried herself like to drink sugarcane juice anymore.
How is it? It's good, right?
No. Pumpkin.
They always say pumpkin.
Pumpkin. But actually, this is a natural color. They not dye the color on that. Okay, so give it a try.
Try it. On the top we have the cheese powder.
Okay. On the top they have the cheese powder.
Wow. How is it?
Very good.
Wow, we leave our drink.
3 ổ phô mai, 1 ổ chè.
Bé Hào mất rồi.
The
traditional.
Lộn rồi, qua đây nè. Cái bé này mới order hả?
And this was
Pumpkin.
pretty good.
Lấy một xiên nữa mẹ ơi.
Is it okay?
Yeah, very good.
Okay.
Cái này lỗ lớn nha.
Sugarcane juice.
Để cho bà Thảo qua đây thầy. Yeah, in Australia. Nice people, yeah. 2 ổ bơ.
Yo, remember, hang your cup.
Okay.
Wait, not yet. Okay.
1, 2, 3, vô!
Cá luôn mấy chị.
You're going to eat it?
Yeah, we want it.
This one is a baby
because
duck.
I have the bad exam in the morning, so I want to get the good luck.
That's my favorite.
Do you want any help to use the chopstick?
Sure. I'll try it out.
Can I have that chili, please?
Yeah, the chili.
Yeah.
And
I think you can use that, okay? Do you want to use like that?
Wanna try it?
It is spicy.
Is it good?
Enjoy it?
outstanding.
Yeah.
This is Sugarcane.
Oh my god.
The head. The head. Oh.
The hat.
It's very delicious.
I have to close my eyes later.
The text line, the normal egg.
But I have a tip for you. If you eat it,
Close your eye.
Care about
Got it.
the baby. You can eat it in the dark. Yeah, and close your eye. Just
Don't imagine in your mind that you are eating a duck. Then you can try that.
10 out of 10.
Oh my god.
In Vietnam, in their houses, in front of their house, they have those small altar, like this one. And in that altar, they have two cows. The cow with a big belly. It's a kind of sampling cake, and this is from France. But for the French, they don't eat with the
Coconut?
No.
Coffee?
Coffee liquids. Only the Vietnamese, we eat together with the coffee liquid and has the ice on the top.
Yeah. Because the weather in here is really hot, so that's why I also put the ice to the dessert to refresh it.
Yummy. Förutom kaffesmaken då. Annars var det väldigt gott. If you want to do the same tour, it's only cost you $30 and you get a lot of food. So just make a comment down below and I will send you the information. But this is the end of the tour. In the next video we are going to Mekong River. So join me for that one. Thank you for watching. Ciao.